As we embrace International Women's Day, we are hosting an empowerment workshop, which is a testament to our commitment to inspire inclusion. Through activities that range from exploring empowerment and sharing powerful stories to personal growth exercises, we are delving deeply into what it means to be empowered individuals in a supportive community.
I believe these initiatives really help bring out creativity in women and help us to believe in ourselves, to delivering these innovative solutions.
It did give me a lot of confidence, so now it's just putting all these into practice and being confident going forward in all the projects I do.
These initiatives reminded me of my strengths and capabilities and the importance of unlocking diverse perspectives. Everyone needs this kind of push to unlock our full potential to deliver world-class solutions.
Our journey at CloudSource is not just about innovation and breaking new ground in technology. It's about pioneering a culture where equality, diversity and inclusion are pillars of our success. At CloudSource, we don't just discuss these values, we live them daily. We do this by providing comprehensive training packages, certifying our team in cutting-edge technology and supporting them with coaching and mentoring from a highly experienced team, many of whom have in-depth industry knowledge and experience. The result is confident, knowledgeable and experienced individuals who are excelling at delivering innovative solutions to our public sector and regulatory clients. What truly sets us apart and makes us stand here today as champions of equality is the undeniable strength, intelligence and leadership of our female workforce. This year, as we embrace the theme Inspire Inclusion, I'm incredibly proud to say that 44% of our employees are women, many of whom hold senior and technical roles within our organisation. Our success is not just in numbers, but in the achievements and innovations in delivering successful projects driven by our incredible women. They are not just part of our story, they're leading it. To all the women at CloudSource and beyond, your strength, intelligence and dedication are shaping the future. Together, we are unstoppable.